Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Got a new radio. Was sent to me by Thomas. It's a PRUNUS model J-196. This was on my wish list on Amazon, and Thomas saw that, so he said, "Hey, I'll send it to you," and he sent it to me, plus two other radios. Okay, this is AM/FM shortwave. Has two shortwave bands, which I'll show you in a minute. Has this cool display of a fireplace. Now, right now, that looks fantastic. But when you turn that off, which has a separate switch, and you look at it with better lighting than I've got right now, it really looks chintzy. Oh my gosh, it looks really chintzy. But on, you really get the effect. I wish it had a sleep timer. It doesn't have a sleep timer. I wish it has sleep timer so that you could have this on, have it in your bedroom and looking at it, trying to fall asleep, and then have it shut itself off. Because I'm sure, and I'm going to do a test, that these 5 LEDs are really draining the battery. That's probably why it's got a separate switch to turn that effect off. This is the on-off volume, tuning knob, band select, and these are the controls for using the MP3 and the Bluetooth. Has about a 28-inch telescopic antenna. It measures, it's a pretty good size. It measures 10 inches by 5 inches deep by 7 inches tall. So it's pretty good size. It's got a carrying strap. It's a little bit heavy on the back. I say on the back, if I can turn it around. It has a big speaker with 2 bass ports. And then here is the port for USB charging, auxiliary input, MP3 TF card slot, USB music slot, and an indicator of the battery. If it's red, it's fully charged. No, I take it back. When it's green, it's fully charged. Okay. Turn it back around here. Now, I wish they got all this fancy display and the dial is not lit. I wish that these people would have lighted dials so it's easy to read. Now, my camera is doing a great job. It's showing the dial very well. Luckily, it is white lettering on a brown background. But for me, this is kind of light, especially when I'm looking down like this. If it had a lighted dial, it would be fine. Anyway, stirred on. Let's see where I've got it. I've got it on music, MP3. So let's listen to some free music from YouTube.
Footing on each side of the transaction.
No, we don't hear
Radio. We'll see how.
Well, here's some recordings I did before. Yeah, let's get to some music. There we go. Now that really goes good with this theme, and the audio is fantastic. PRUNUS always has good radios. Plenty of volume. Yeah, that sounds nice. Lots of bass, lots of bass. Okay, turn this down Now we'll select the next one over, which is FM. We'll have to zoom through FM because there we got music I can't play. Yep. Yep.
Early.
Picking up a lot of stations, a lot of music. Okay, we got to get off of there. Next one is AM band. Shouldn't be quite as bad for music. We're at the top of the band. Yep, there's music.
And around the world.
There we go.
And what has happened?
Tunes in very good. Yeah, that's great. I don't even have the radio oriented for all the stations that are that way. That would require the radio to be that way, but it doesn't even need that. So it's probably got a pretty good size built-in antenna. We can try shortwave. I very, very doubt it that we'll get anything on shortwave. We'll try it. Okay, we're at the top of the band, which the first band goes 3.2 to 10 megahertz. The next one goes to 10, from 10 to 22 megahertz. So we're at, we're in the middle of the band, 6.8. We're going to go up. Probably won't get anything. Ooh, muting while tuning. Really bad. And I'm tuning really fast. Getting some interference from my electronics in here. Try 933. Nope. This morning I was able to get 933. Try 10 megahertz. No. Here we go. Well, that's not 10 megahertz. There we go. That's Preacher Man, probably out of Tennessee. And right now it's, I don't know what time it is. It was daylight savings crapola. It's 4:36 daylight savings time. My stomach says it's 5:36 and it's time to have supper. Anyway, sorry. I think that's about it. Nice little radio. Excellent sound. And it's, let me look. It's $39.99 or $39.59 on Amazon right now. So you can get this from Amazon. I'm going to put it, I haven't done it yet. I'm going to put it in my Amazon store because I really like it. Now, did I mention that when you turn this effect off, and it's got a separate switch for the light, and you got brighter light than I have right now, ambient light. This looks really cheesy. It's really plastic looking, really cheesy. But when you turn it on, the effect is really nice. Really, really nice. So I like it. I like it. I wish I had the sleep timer, but whatever. So I'm gonna put it in my Amazon store. The link to my Amazon store is in the description below each of my videos. If you take that link and you buy this radio or anything else, because it's just Amazon. I don't have a store really. It's just a web page on Amazon. So you can, after you looked at my stuff, you can just travel through all the other pages on Amazon and buy you some birdseed. And because you went through my link I get a small commission, which allows me to buy radios to review for you. I want to thank Thomas for sending me this radio, and I want to thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.